Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Gul Knowledge Hub. I am very excited, super excited because this topic which I am going to deliver right now is the most favorite of mine. Why? Because we are going to check out 5 top important books for your enhancing English communication skills, for building, for just fertilizing your imagination. Because everyone says that improve your English language, do this, do that. But we have to fertilize. We have to enrich our imagination. Until and unless our imagination is strong enough, we cannot express our thoughts explicitly. This is final. And the 5th book is a surprise for you. What is that? I am going to recommend at the last. I am not going to give you only the 5 top books name. I will suggest you how to read. How to read at the end of this video, so that I have got this favorite surprise book for you, and how you can purchase and what is the benefit of this book I will illustrate at the end of this video. So without any further ado, we should start this video. And number 1 book, the top book, because you are English learner, you are very confused, very baffled about your journey, you want to achieve your destination. The destination is English language, but you are stuck somewhere. You are stuck somewhere, you are struggling, you are having a fight, you are waging a war against expressing your thought. Now there is a tug of war between your mind and the mouth, and you want to accomplish, you want to win that war. How you can win? This is the baffled learner, and at the end of this video, the baffled learner would be a smiling learner. So the very first book I recommend to you is the Diary of Wimpy Kid. Diary of Wimpy Kid. Now this is for beginner, and why I recommend this? Because very easy English is there, and daily life vocabulary and funny stories. Everyone loves to read, everyone loves to just watch funny things. So start with funny, start with fun and exciting things, so that you can continue your journey. For example, if you start your journey with the very, very hard and complex and very philosophical book, you would get stuck and your journey would end there. No. Start with very basic, with very amazing, exciting book. And the book name is Diary of Wimpy Kid. Just recommend you all go and study that. Charlotte's Web. Charlotte's Web is another interesting, simple language, emotional story. And when you will study the Charlotte's Web, you will come to know and you will grip reading flow and understanding. This is important. This is important because you need flow in your understanding, you need flow in your reading. And when flow is there, like a river, like a stream, you can get and you can just express your thoughts in a smooth way. Now, number 3rd book, very important, lovely, the most important book I would say. When you just read these 2 books, one book is funny stories, one book is of emotional story. Now it's the time, you are mature enough, you have to, if you are intermediate level, I recommend to each and everyone. And the book name is Atomic Habits. Atomic means very powerful. Have the thing which has very deep impact. And atomic habits just means the small habits. If you build small habits, they have drastic effect on your improvement. So adopt and read this Atomic Habits book. The next is Good Vibes, Good Life. Good Vibes, Good Life book. Now it's the time for you what to do, to love yourself and implement self-love. And when you love yourself and when you see a better version of yourself, everyone should love herself or himself. If you love yourself, only then you can attain your goal. Otherwise, you will criticize yourself for the rest of your life. So these are 4 books, and the 5th book, first I will read through this book and you will come across why it is so important. The Medal on My Shelf. Lina sat crossed legs. The very first word, crossed legs. When you sit on her bed, staring at the shiny silvery medal resting on her desk. It wasn't gold. I am not saying putting on her desk, resting on her desk. It wasn't gold, but it was hers. She had won it in the school science competition for her project on solar power water pumps. And yet, instead of feeling proud, she felt uneasy. I can't believe I got it, she whispered. When you are talking slowly, it is called whispered. It's not like my project was perfect. I made mistakes. I forgot to mention some details. What if people think I didn't deserve it? Her younger brother Sami peeked into her room. Peeked means when you are secretly watching someone. Why are you looking sad? You got a medal. That's amazing. I know, Lena said, forcing a smile. But I feel I should have done better. Maybe someone else deserved it more. Sami tilted his head. Now I have read only one paragraph, and in this one paragraph, there are so many amazing words and expressions. And if you read one story from this book every day, because it is a monthly magazine, and it is available in Pakistan, and you can also have an access to this book magazine through website Nonehal. It is called Nonehal. It is the Nonehal for kids, and it is the best book. Why it is the best book? Because it has all the accomplishment. It deals with scientific novel, scientific stories. It deals with current affairs. It deals with morals. It deals with ethics. It deals with the how to be the productive member of the society. So small book, so tiny book, having all flowers of ethics. So I recommend this book to each and everyone, and my son is accustomed to read this, and I have a plethora of these books in my son's cupboard, and now I recommend you all. And if you are searching for vocabulary, I would recommend Oxford Skills, Word Skills. Now this is the collection, and if you really are eager to know about Nonehal, and because Nonehal is one of the best books, storytelling, funny, amazing, exciting, adventurous, whatever. The cultural aspects are always there. So keep reading, keep memorizing, because I know that these kind of books give you the best expression. Instead of putting, there was resting. Instead of anything, tilted. Tilted means move forward. So these kind of expressions make your language very flowery. So happy learning.